In this video, I'm going to teach you how to move Spotify account to a new phone. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you need to do this is first, this is an optional step, but one that you might want to consider. On your old phone, consider opening up the Spotify app, going into the settings and logging out of your account. This isn't necessary. For example, if your phone is just not going to be used, but if you think about selling it or passing it along, it might be nice to log out of your account in order to not be compromised in any way. After you log out of your account by going into the settings on your old phone, on your new phone, all you have to do is open up either the Play Store or the App Store and look for Spotify. Download the latest version of Spotify, and whenever you open it up on the new phone, it's going to ask you for your login information. Just input your username and password, and when you open it on your new phone, all of your playlists and songs will be automatically synchronized, and you don't have to do any additional steps. As long as you created the playlist and songs on your account, they will be linked forever to that account. I hope I was able to help you on how to move Spotify account to new phone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.